We will go through Greco-Roman and women's wrestling today. The final three Greco-Roman weights will be 60, 63, and 130. And then we'll head on over to women's wrestling, where we'll have bronze and gold medal matches at 50, 53, 57, 59, and wrap things up at 72 kilos. This is a Greco-Roman 60-kilo bronze medal match. Wrestling in the red singlet out of Korea, Sung-ha Kim, 33 years of age, and his opponent wrestling out of Kyrgyzstan, Akıl Suleymanov. I'm Eric Wolanowski, joined alongside Leon Casidis. Leon, welcome back in day 2. This is competition number, where are you at this season? 4, 5, 6? You've been on the call for every competition, I feel like.
This is my fifth one this year. Thank you for having me, Eric. We're looking for some great matches today. As you can see from both these two gentlemen, they want to wrestle. They're not backing down. They go to the clinch immediately, and that's the type of wrestling we love to watch.
Talked about 33 years of age with Kim, and on the other end, Suleymanov, 23 years of age. Kim, Leon, before this, we were talking about that stretch that he had when you think back to 19, when he won not one, not two, but 3 consecutive ranking series events, winning the Sassari, Matteo Pellicone, the Oleg Karavayev, and the Hungarian Grand Prix. Did Kim, but since then, outside of the 2021 Asian Championships, he's looking for his first medal since those 3 ranking series competitions. What does he have to do here tonight to get back to at least a bronze medal?
He needs to get back into shape as he was in 2019, first and foremost, I guess. But he has a tough opponent in front of him. He's the more experienced one, as you can see on his ears. Wow. And you can see his opponent went for the reverse lift. He tried to counter him immediately, went for the front headlock. Excellent defense by the veteran Kim.
Oh, beautiful 4-pointer. Oh. Not one, but 2 4-pointers. That was
quick.
Very impressive. That was very impressive. All Akıl Suleymanov needed was the 8-point advantage. He grabbed the 9-point advantage, and with that, he picks up the first